So guys, remember when Andrew made his first statement outside his home when he got released from jail to overnight? Well, this man is an absolute genius again. He had a secret message, but no one caught on until censored men posted on Twitter. Take a look at the clip.
When I was in jail, I did 7,417 push-ups.
Now, okay, he did 7,417 push-ups. Okay, that's cool and pretty impressive. Remember that number? However, there's a secret message behind that specific number. Abu Harari reported Allah's messenger as saying the world is a prison house for a believer and paradise for a non-believer. Guys, look at the bottom of the page. Tate's number 7417 Andrew is on about a specific quote yet again. Now, as always, I apologize if I mispronounced anything, but Andrew is honestly a genius. I've said in the past every tweet he tweeted out in jail there was a meaning behind it. In this case, his push-ups had a specific meaning. Honestly, I'm absolutely gobsmacked.